Hi everybody, welcome to Carol's Art Room. Today I'm going to do a bloom with some blue and yellow, green and turquoise and some silver. I'm doing some on tiles. I'm trying to make some more to sell, so I'm getting ready for that. So I needed to make a few more. So let's see. I think I'll put turquoise first. I'm doing a modified bloom. Just deciding what, I think I'll do black, do that on the top. I'll do silver. And this is Sapphire by Deco Art. And that was Josania Silver and PBO Turquoise. I'm going to use black activator today. Poke some of these bubbles first. It's a different pillow paint I'm using today. It's not white, it's beige. I'm not sure how it'll be because I haven't used it before. So it's a test. It seems to work fine. Blew out nicely. I'll let the middle come back. If anybody's new here, blooms are not a beginner's technique to try. This is the underneath part come up. Let's see if the middle moves. The recipe for my bloom is in the description under my video. All right, I'm gonna modify it. Well, it looks good with the beige. I don't mind it at all. Okay, I'm gonna spin it. Nice. Oh, I'm happy with this one. I love these colors. Pretty. The blue and turquoise. Wow. I do love my Deco Art Extreme Sheen paints. They are so awesome. Okay, I think this is done. I hope it's not moving too much now. I like to check and make sure it's not moving much, and then okay. Should I do two? I might have time to do two. If not, it'll be in the next video. I'm going to do Modified Bloom. I'm trying to make sure I don't get any underneath color come up. My last one was, I just scraped. What was the reason I scraped it? Because, oh, I had too much cell activator and it was all black in the middle. I didn't like it. I'm being fussy today, so I'm trying to do some tiles for a client. All right. I'm going to do yellow green in the middle. Try not to put too much paint down. This is cobalt teal. Phthalo green. Sapphire blue. And some, I'm going to put a little more of the green on top. See what we get. Put so much cell activator down. Okay, let's try this again. Well, that doesn't look too bad. I just hope the black comes in more, though. Excuse me. Drink some of my cold coffee. Well, that's really pretty. right, come on, middle. Get back in there. This is a nice one. I really like this one. I don't have a lot of the underneath color showing, just a little bit, but that's fine there. Okay, the middle's coming in good. There's a lot of things to think about when you're doing your blooms. Consistency, the color, laying the colors down, different consistencies, different opaqueness. Mostly transparent paints are good for blooms. If you're using opaque, put it at the bottom. All right, I think I can spin this one. Still moving quite a bit. I love the blending of the blue and the turquoise. Yes, it's not a beginner's technique, that's for sure. I just learned from practicing, watching other videos, getting the proper recipe, a good recipe. There is a few good ones out there. Mine is in the description under my video. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Comment below. This one's really pretty. I like this one. There you go. I think it's done. It's not moving. Once it stops moving in the middle, then you're pretty good to stop spinning. You don't want to leave too much paint. Oh, look what I just did. So much for this perfect bloom. Oh, it's not perfect, but now I am going to modify this. Oh, silly me. Well, we'll fix it. There, good as new. Oh, you never know what's going to happen. Okay. Thanks for watching and have a great day, everybody. come back. Oh, that wasn't off camera. Come back to Carol's art room. See you in the next video. The dried result will be at the end. Bye-bye. Hi, everybody. Here's my dried tiles. They turned out so pretty. Look at that nice shine in there. Take you in for a close-up. Pretty blues and green. I love it. Blue and green, that yellow green looks so nice together. And then there's the bluer one with more blue. A little bit of the green. Most of it came off, but this looks so pretty. It's got a nice shine too. There you go. I love both of these. And thanks for watching my videos, and have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.